Everyone loves a good adventure. It's not just about feeling excited or getting away from it all. It's about finding out what's waiting for us out there, beyond where we feel safe. Today, we're setting off to find something new. But adventure isn't only about the big or wild things. It's there in the simple act of walking through nature, where every step is a chat with the world under our feet. The sounds of the leaves, the songs of the birds, and the play of light and shade all tell a story, our story. Adventure is what makes us feel alive. It's finding joy in the unexpected, seeing beauty right now, and feeling at peace because we're really there in the moment. It dares us to try, to change, and to grow. So, what's adventure? It's a big question, as big as the sky, and as special as the way we each see the world. It's being brave enough to step into the unknown, to enjoy the trip, and to discover not just the places around us, but also the surprises we carry inside us. Let's remember today's trip as a sign that life is an awesome journey. And on this journey, we get to see how beautiful the world is, learning that the best adventure is simply living.